This forecast is looking kind of interesting for snow lovers. There's another round of snow coming up our direction, and even if you don't like the snow, you're going to want to pay attention to this because we might see something very similar to what we had last weekend come up again this weekend. Now, first of all, this forecast is looking pretty wet as the rain moves in Friday night. And this forecast is also sponsored by the local bread company. Anyway, just kidding. No, we do have a chance to see some snowfall. It starts as rain Friday night. We'll see it change over to snow Friday during the middle of the night and also into our Saturday morning. So this is Friday at 8 p.m. and then this is Friday at 11 o'clock. And look at how the heavy snow is starting to appear again. It looks pretty similar, but this one's a little different though. While the heavy snow around 11 o'clock is over the Hampton Road cities and really kind of cutting the south side in half, we still have an area of heavy rainfall too that we're going to have to watch this time around. So there may be more areas in North Carolina that won't see the heavy snow this time. You might see heavy rainfall at first. But it looks like the cold air tries to take over and wrap itself in. 4 a.m., we have some snow coming down. So for a couple of hours, early Saturday morning, it'll be snowing, and it'll be snowing hard across our area. Saturday at 10 a.m., still light to moderate snowfall. And then towards the middle of the day and into the afternoon, it looks likely that this thing should move out of here. We could have a couple of flurries into the afternoon, but I really believe by the afternoon as it looks now, we'll start to see the snow tapering off. But travel on Saturday, wouldn't recommend it because look at what we could see for snow totals across the East Coast. In our area, we're in the darker blue, and I'll zoom in here in a second, but look what happens up towards New York and Boston. They're getting the big one. They could see a nor'easter develop with snowfall totals. When we see the white there, that's 12 plus inches of snow for areas south of Boston. So travel up north on Saturday may be impossible, especially by air. I would just assume flights would cancel. So keep that in mind if you have air travel on Saturday. There could be some glitches because of the big snow happening up there. And also locally here, we're going to see some heavy snow. And this is what the model said kind of sort of around this time last week, looking ahead into the weekend. That area blue is 3 to 6. So we'll see what we get out of this thing. Right now, it looks like we'll start as rain Friday night, then switch over to snow easily by Saturday morning. How much are we looking forward to? Not quite sure yet, but it could be similar to the last one. Also, we'll probably have a snow day on Saturday as it looks now. I would expect difficult travel on Saturday. So that's what I'm seeing right now. Now, I know it gets exciting to go to the grocery store. If you're wondering, when should I go grocery shopping? Last time, we all went kind of sort of Wednesday and into Thursday. I'm not going to set any panic or anything, but remember, Friday evening, it's still raining. So we're not going to have any difficulty getting to the store at all this week. So go to your normal patterns. We'll be fine. We're not going to have any problems this week. But this weekend could be fun. We'll have the updates as we go throughout the week. See you later. Have a good night.